नमस्कार। आज हम लोग जैक के अकॉर्डिंग इकोनॉमिक्स का मॉडल सेट 2 सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज इकोनॉमिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ men in relation to the ordinary business of life. Which economist said this? Alfred Marshall. Correct option is option number B. Next one, why do economic problem arise? We know that is the reason of scarcity of resources. Option number D is correct. Next question number C, which of the following is not a statistical data? Option number D is correct. Due to floods in India, many people make homeless. This is a statement only. Here is not any data, so it is not in statistical data. Next question number 4. The word statistic is derived from which Latin word? That word is status. Option number C is correct. Next one, blank is the root of all problems. That is lack of abundance. Option number B. Now next is question number 6. Which of the following is an example of variable? That one is option number C, national income. Next question number 7. What is the benefit of sample survey? The benefit of sample survey: low cost, less enumeration required, short time. So correct option is all of these. Next one, question number 8. A national level surveys on socio-economy issues can be done by which of these organization? Correct option, National Sample Survey Organization, NSSO. Now next question, what type of statistical data is collected in a census of India? That one is birth rate, death rate, literacy size, structure of the population. All of these is the correct answer. Option number D. Next one, by which of the following methods the respondent can be influenced? That one is telephone survey. Option number C. Next question number 11. The class limit is the point of 60 to 20. This question is incomplete. Here is to find out the midpoint of this 60 to 20, this unit. That one is we should find midpoint by adding the lower limit and upper limit. After that, divided by 2. So correct option is option number A, 70. Now next question number 12. When data is classified according to time, then that classification is called chronological order. Next one, 13. Into how many classes are the variables generally divided? It is divided into 2 parts. Option number C is correct. Next, 14 number. The number of items included in a class is called frequency. Next, 15. The classification of data for the discrete series is called frequency table. Option number C is correct. Next, 16. Arithmetic diagram is known by what name? That is time series diagram. Option number A is correct. Next one, 17. Frequency polygons arise from histogram. Next one, 18. Question number. What is included in a good table? A good table should be included in table number, title, subtitle, topsoil, everything. So here correct option is all of these. Next, 19 number. Which method would be appropriate to reduce the abstraction of data and present it more concrete and easily understandable data? That one is diagram. Next, 20. Geometrical diagram for representation of data comes under blank. That is frequency polygon. 21. What is the variety of muslin cloth? That one is a type of cotton clothes. Next, 22. Who propound the money laundering theory? That is Dada Bhai Naroji. Next one, 23. What is meant by export surplus? More export than import is known as export surplus. 24. What was the literacy rate in colonial India? That one is more than 16%. 25. Between which two places did the first train run in India? That one is Mumbai and Pune are the two places. 26. The basis of capitalist economy is to private profit. Here we have to write to generate profit. Next is 27. What was the growth rate of industrial sector between 1950 to 1991? That one is 8% per annum. 28. In a capitalist economy, the same commodity is produced by, the correct option is all of these. What is demanded in the market, the production of which is profitable, and what is demanded abroad. All type of goods should be produced. Next, 29. From which country was the concept of India 5-year plan taken? That is taken from the country Russia. Next, 30. The goal of prospective planning is to achieve in 20 years. 31. Which plan was started in India after independence? That is 5 years plan. 32. Production of which sector is included in the calculation of GDP? There agriculture also included, industries and tourism. So correct option is all of these. Next one, 33. The Green Revolution in India is considered to be the period of the second phase, that is mid 1972 to mid 1980s. Next is, into how many classes were industrials divided in the proposal of Industrial Policy 1956? According to Industrial Policy 1956, the industries can be divided into three parts. That one is primary, secondary and tertiary sector. 35. What is foreign debt? The foreign debt is known as the loan taken by the government from foreign institution. So option number C is correct. Next one. How much amount did India get from the IMF as a loan to avoid the economic crisis that arose in the late 1980s? That is the amount of $7 million. So option number C is correct. Next, 37. In the New Economic Policy 1991, for how many industries the requirement of license was continued? That one is the number of industry 8. 38. The process of obtaining regular services by companies from an external source is called privatization. The last one question is, area not benefited from LPG in India is the finance sector.